The wolf, she cries at night.
Hi guys, this is Bosslady Shruti and it is award season. We are getting ready for the Network 18 Reel Awards and this is the look that I put together. I felt like I want to look like I'm dripped in bronze gold. So that was the look that I was trying to go for. So if you want to know how I got this look, please keep watching. Of course, we're going to start off with skincare and I have been using the Dermaco Vitamin C ampules to get that perfect glow on my face. I have shown it in my previous video also and this is my second kit. All I do is break the ampule and use it directly on my face. This kit features 7 fresh mix ampules, each sealed in a small vial to ensure maximum efficacy and stability. Since these are freshly mixed, there is no chance of oxidation. The Dermaco's 15% vitamin C brightening ampule kit delivers brighter skin in just 7 days. This is a highly concentrated and targeted treatment because this is a supercharged serum with the most effective form of vitamin C, L-ascorbic acid. These ampules are available on the Dermaco website and also on Nykaa. So please find the links below and you can use my code Shruti 2025 for a 20% off. Now that my skin is prepped, let's get on with the makeup. Starting off with primer, I am using one of those gripping primers. This is perfect for when I want my makeup to last all night long. And I'm also using a Lumi Matte Finish foundation because that is what I feel looks natural, especially for a evening glam. Then I go in with a concealer which is closer to my skin tone to hide any dark circles and hyperpigmentation. Then I go in with a lighter concealer under the eyes and while this preps, I am also going to add a little bit of blush on my cheeks. I love this flush of color that I have going on. Then I blend out the brightening concealer that I have put underneath my eyes. Then I'm going to quickly use some setting spray. This really helps set your base for a long time. I am then going to set my under eyes with some powder. This is a translucent powder and I'm also going to set the rest of my face. Quickly doing my eyebrows and going straight to the eyes. I'm going to use a black kajal pencil and roughly scribble it over my eyelid and before it dries I want to smudge it out with a flat brush. Then I'm going to use a dark brown eyeshadow so that it gives us this beautiful gradient which gives us that smoky eye look. I'm also going to extend the same dark brown shadow on my lower lash line. Then I'm going to take a mix of these two shades and lightly tap it on my eyelid so that I can bring this smoky, sexy eye makeup look all together. Quickly curling my lashes and adding a generous dose of mascara. Whoop! We have gorgeous eyes. Of course, I cannot forget the highlighter because this is what I live for. I want to glow to the gods. And once I'm done with that, I again go in with my setting spray to lock everything in. So my makeup is almost done. I just need to change my clothes and do my lips and my hair and I'll be right back. And yes, this is what the final look turned out. I wanted to go in with this wet hair dripping mermaidish look. I feel like this whole look got put together beautifully. I also had a really fun time at the awards and this is how it went.
Away.